all ready to go. We're just waiting on Mike to get here. She's looking good, looking good. Could use a wash and a wax, but take care of that once it gets in the water. It doesn't matter how much preparation you do, as you're heading towards the ramp, you always think to yourself, what the heck did I forget? It's always nerve-wracking going in the water for the first time of the season. You're just not used to the controls. And more importantly, when the wind gets you, it's just such a thrill.